Just like to give you a quick observation of the Drew Estates Factory Smokes Maduro. I've had it lit now for about 4 or 5 minutes. And as you can see, it's got a nice ash. Doesn't want to focus here. There we go. And anyway, it's put together pretty well. Tastes good. Yeah. So let me try a little bit here. Lots of smoke, as you can see. It's burning very nice and even. Tastes good. Pretty mild. Nice flavor. Not harsh at all. No peppery, no taste like that, nothing. Just a nice smoky flavor and pretty easy to smoke. You can see that the ash is holding on real well, and yeah, pretty pleased with this. They're not too expensive. They're right around $2 per stick. So pretty good value. Nice cigar for just, after dinner, just come out, just relax. For me anyway. Here we go. Knock that off. Anyway, there it is. Just a quick thoughts on these Maduro factory smokes from Drew Estates. Okay, thanks for watching.